Okay, let's have a look at task C here. And remember these, we don't have to update our design sheets because we've already done the design. So all we have to do is make sure that our printouts are printed out really well. So task C, sort the stock list in alphabetical order of range. So the first sort is on the range. And then the items in the range have to be sorted in increasing order of price. So ascending for price and ascending for range, and then we have to print this list out. So let's have a look at what that looks like. So here's my list. So it means sort in this order and then also in this order. So what's the easiest way of doing the sort is probably clicking on this button here for sort and filter, and let's do a custom sort. So what I'd like to do, if we have a look, so firstly I need to sort by the range. That's the first thing I need to do, and let me sort that in A to Z order, and then add another level to that. And the next thing I want to sort is on current price, and that's in ascending order, so smallest to largest, and then I just say OK. And there you can see the range has been sorted, and then within the range all the prices are sorted. So as you can see, Animal Farm goes from the highest to the lowest, and then Cute and Cuddly, etc. So again, we look at print preview. So you probably know how to do this. If you look at print preview, make sure that it's fitting all on one page, and obviously go to your page setup and header and footer and custom header, and put your name in there, and custom footer. What's quite nice in custom footer is to put something like insert page numbers. So that's the page number, and then next to that there's usually one which tells you of how many pages or something like that. I will just say page, so that will say page number 1, and then you can put of 4, or hopefully you haven't got it on 4 pages, hopefully it's all fitting on 1, etc. So anyway, just make sure it fits nicely on a page. So that's another printout. And now let's have a look at the next task on our sheet. So the next task is the second bullet point of task C, which is filter the stock list to show just those items from the wildlife safari range with a current price of that, and then print it out. Okay, so $7.99 for just the wildlife safari range. So let's get our sheet up again, and this time let's choose sort and filter, and we need a custom filter. So oh, I've put my custom filter on the wrong one. So you see my custom filter has appeared there, and that's not going to do anybody any good. So let's take filter off, highlight just this bit here. That's where I'd like my filter, so custom filter, and yes, expand the selection. I don't want any of these going on, and just say OK to that. So let's try that again. Let's do filter. Okay, so that's better. So now I've got my filter arrows. So again, I'm looking for a wildlife safari, so that's the only one I want to select, and we say OK to that. And we're only looking for $7.99, so I can deselect all of them, just find the $7.99 one and say OK, and then that's what you print out. Okay, let's have a look at the next task. So task D is for distinction level, so task 3 part D this one is. So again, we need to filter it, and this time we only want to show Cute and Cuddly, and here it says with a price of less than £7, and then print that out. So let's have a look at how we're going to do that. So again, we've already done a sort here, so if we select all and say OK, and take the fill and select all here as well. So let's just get the cute and cuddly range up. So rather than doing select all, okay, hang on, let me just take this, minimize this ribbon so that you can see what I'm doing. So under select all, it's just the cute and cuddly range. So undo select all, that's the only one we're choosing, and we want a price, just remind myself, the price is less than £7. So to do a price of less than £7, we have to deselect all, and I've just highlighted where it says number filters, and then I'm going to choose less than in my list, and you can see that it's just not fitting on the screen, but you can probably see that when you click on number filters. And less than, and then I just put 7 in there, and then OK, and there are all the prices less than 7. So that's what we wanted, and that's what you print out. So that's task D done, and then we'll in the next video I'll show you how to do task 4 and the various sections in that.